this is now the project that I did yesterday. Wala siya nahuman kay natan ko sa oras. No sleeves yet. Ako pa ni siyang butangan og sleeves. Color, ang color ako ng gitahi. And then the waistband, and then the skirt. Ako pa ni siya diring ibanan gamay. Kay taasan ako. I will cut it here. And then put on the ruffles. So I tried to put it on. Sakto man. See? Pero murag taasan ra ko. So maybe a little for the ruffles, guys, inyo i-measure ang hem sa inyong skirt using your measuring tape. So for example, kining ako is 20 na siya. So after cutting the ruffles, imong balihon ang imuhang dress. And then after that, you will take your ruffles katong imo nang gikat. And then you have to pin it all around the hem. Or sa sid-sid sa skirt, imo siyang gamitan og pins or dinagom all around. And imo na siyang libuton. And then after pinning, nalibot na, na-touch na nimo ang ruffles. Ayaw day kalimot, guys. You have to sew them right sides together. Depende ninyo. So kana siya right sides together. So, if human na mo og tahi sa hem, imo i-set ang imuhang machine into zigzag, and then imo siyang zigzag stitch din ha, iyang edges. So, for the sleeve, I have a semicircle pattern. Check online na lang mo, guys, for the circle pattern or how to cut a circle pattern. So since ganahan ko og sleeve na circular, since it's a semicircle, I just fold the fabric like that, and then I lay the first pattern onto the second to make it 2 for the sleeves. So as you can see, it is half circle because it's folded. So when it is unfolded, it will be a half circle. So you just lay the fabric that way and then cut along. Make sure that your scissors are sharp so that you will have a finish or clean finish edges, because you don't need to hem it. Hindi na siya nimo kinahanglan. So after cutting the sleeve, you will mark the center as shown in the video and then match it to the shoulder line of the dress. Again, make sure to pin it right sides together, and then